Module Overview. Packaging artwork for transportation is a technical, strategic, and material-sensitive process that demands specialized tools and materials. It's not enough to simply wrap a canvas in bubble wrap or place a sculpture in a box. Professional-grade art packaging requires knowledge of the interaction between materials and surfaces, structural support mechanisms, environmental protection, and the functional limits of each item used. This module provides a deep dive into every material and tool necessary for the safe packaging of various artwork types, with a focus on their composition, effectiveness, compatibility, sustainability, and cost efficiency. It also covers handling tools and aids that reduce human error and improve safety during the packaging process. Primary packaging materials. Primary packaging comes in direct contact with the artwork and serves as the first line of defense against abrasions, pressure, humidity, and environmental pollutants. Soft wrap materials. Glassine paper, acid-free, moisture-resistant, used for paintings, prints, and drawings. Non-static and won't smudge. Tyvek Sheets, non-woven polyethylene that resists dust, water, and tearing. Suitable for sculptures and textiles. Mylar, polyester film. Archival grade for photographic or fragile surface works. Padding and cushioning. Bubble wrap. Small and large cell. Provides shock absorption. Must not be in direct contact with artwork. Polyethylene foam, ethafoam. Reusable, high density, and customizable padding for sculptures and framed art. Jiffy foam wrap, soft and non-abrasive, used for delicate and glass-based items. Secondary packaging components. Secondary packaging structures hold the primary wrapped artwork and provide external impact resistance. Boxing materials, double-walled corrugated boxes, for smaller or mid-range objects, provides crush resistance. Tri-wall crates, triple ply, for heavy or framed artwork. Custom wooden crates, for high-value, fragile, or irregular 3D pieces. Sealing and enclosure materials, filament tape, reinforced for high-tension packaging. Tyvek zip bags, airtight, dust-free solutions for archival works. Industrial staplers and strapping systems, for reinforcing wooden crates. Protective materials and environmental buffers. These materials provide insulation, stability, and barrier protection against moisture, temperature, and shock. Silica gel desiccants control humidity and moisture inside crates. Activated carbon sheets prevent odor and chemical exposure. Tyvek liners for anti-static and UV protection. Shock watch and tilt indicators alerts handlers to mishandling. Handling tools and equipment. Appropriate tools reduce labor strain and human error, particularly with large or delicate artworks. Gloves, cotton nitrile, to prevent oils and prints on surfaces. Lifting harnesses and dollies, for large canvases and sculptures. Vacuum lifts or suction pads, for smooth, glassy, or polished works. Measuring tools and digital calipers, for precision fitting in crates. Eco-friendly and sustainable packaging innovations. Mushroom-based foam replacements. Recyclable corrugated board with plant-based adhesives. Biodegradable packing peanuts, made from starch. Reusable modular crate systems. Environmental awareness is not only ethical, but also increasingly demanded by galleries, museums, and buyers. This section helps you integrate sustainability without sacrificing safety. Learning outcomes. By the end of Module 2, you will be able to identify and select appropriate primary and secondary packaging materials for various types of artwork. Use correct cushioning and insulation methods to protect against common shipping hazards. Operate and apply professional handling tools in preparing fragile or large artworks. Analyze eco-conscious packaging options and integrate sustainable practices. Recognize common material incompatibilities, e.g., bubble wrap directly on painted surfaces, and prevent irreversible damage.